Understanding the TOEFL listening passages. Hey there, future TOEFL conquerors! Today, we're diving deep into the TOEFL listening section, particularly focusing on the types of listening passages. This knowledge is pivotal in boosting your confidence and performance in this section of the exam. The TOEFL listening section tests your ability to understand spoken English in an academic context. It comprises a variety of passages and questions to assess your understanding. The listening material is organized into two distinct formats. 1. Conversations. These are typically between two people, such as a student and a professor, or between two students discussing academic topics. 2. Lectures. These are more formal and usually feature a professor or lecturer speaking about academic subjects to an audience. It's vital to recognize the difference between these two types of passages because each demands a slightly different listening strategy. Conversations usually revolve around 1. Academic advisement. Discussions regarding courses, requirements, and academic guidance. 2. Service encounters. Interactions at places like the library, administrative offices, or dining facilities. 3. Campus situations. General discussions about campus events, plans, or experiences. When listening to conversations, it's essential to identify the main idea or purpose of the conversation. Take note of specific details. Recognize the relationships between the speakers. Determine the speaker's attitudes or feelings. Lectures are based on a variety of academic subjects, from humanities to life sciences. When listening to lectures, you should 1. Grasp the main topic or thesis of the lecture. 2. Identify major points and examples. 3. Recognize the organization or structure. 4. Pay attention to the speaker's attitude or tone. While listening to lectures, it's beneficial to mentally summarize the information periodically. It ensures that you understand the main ideas before moving on to subsequent points. To ace the TOEFL listening section, practice active listening. Engage fully with the material and avoid distractions. Take short, concise notes. Jot down main ideas, relationships, or unusual terms. Predict. Based on the beginning of the passage, try to anticipate what will come next. It keeps you engaged and helps in faster comprehension. Review sample questions. Familiarizing yourself with question types can help you know what to listen for. And there you have it. A comprehensive look into the types of listening passages in the TOEFL exam. Remember, understanding the format and practicing with purpose will give you a competitive edge. We believe in you. Here's hoping this video brought clarity and confidence. Happy studying!